Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So I'm starting this very new series of 3 months preparation kit by HackerRank, and it's our very first day. So the first question we have here is an array of integers, and what we need to calculate is the ratio of the elements that are positive, negative and 0, and then we need to print the output up to 6 decimal places. Okay, after finding the proportion. So let us check that what we are getting is input here. First is the n, that is the size of the array, and then the array itself, that is space separated integers. Okay, and the output that we need to provide is the proportion for the positive values, negative values and the zeros, which we need to provide up to 6 decimal places. Okay, so the logic we're gonna follow here is this. Okay, so for the positive values, we know that if the value is greater than 0, it is positive. So if array element is greater than 0, then it will be a positive number, right? If it is less than 0, then it is a negative number. Negative value or a number. Else it will be a 0. It's 0. Okay, so this is very simple approach that we gonna follow in this question. So let's start with the coding now. So for that, I'm simply declaring these three variables: positive count, negative count, zero count, which holds the count for the positive values, negative values and so on. Okay, so we need to declare this loop as well, that we need to loop up to size of an array. N is here is the size of the array. Okay, so the first so first question, sorry, the condition that we're gonna give here is this: if array element is greater than 0. So if array element is greater than 0, then we're gonna increase the count for the positive. Else, second condition, if it is less than 0, then it's a negative. So if array element is less than 0, then we can increase the count for the negative. Else we're going to increase the count for the 0. Okay, so now we just need to print the proportion value for it. Okay, so what will be the proportion? Like the count we have in this variable positive count for positive values, we're gonna divide this by the size of an array. With this we're gonna get the proportion for the positive values. Okay, but we need it up to 6 decimal places, right? For that I'm going to use this format function. Okay, let me okay and we need to format it up to 6 decimal places. For that, this will be like dot 6f. I need to put it into this. Okay. So it will print our proportion for the positive value up to 6 decimal places. Let me copy paste this, and then we just change the variable. What we need here is we need to print here the negative count, and we have to print here the 0. Okay. So I suppose it will do the work. Let me run it. Yes, it does. Let us check for the all test cases now. So it's passing all the test cases here. So thank you for watching, guys. Thank you. Bye bye.